Bula Fiji, welcome to your favorite night of television. This is Jejemon. I trust you're having a great evening from whatever part of our beautiful country you are tuning in from. This week, a big Mbula Vinaka to all our viewers joining us here in the capital city, Suva. Thank you for your company and I hope you enjoy our show tonight. My guest this week is no stranger to the limelight and Fiji's music industry. He recently dropped his latest music video, Dodomo Maumau, and some of his popular tracks, the likes of Mucho Dola, is a hit in some of the night spots around the country. Flamboyant, a colorful personality with a cheeky confidence, Vili Navoka is from the province of Nandranga and tells us about his favorites when it comes to fashion and style. Take a look.
Hello everybody, I'm Vili and I'm a singer here in Fiji and I'm from the province of Nandranga, from the village of Rukurukulevu. And here with me, I have a friend of mine who's going to be doing my makeup as I prepare for a little event that's coming up. And my friend's name is Jejemon. Say hello.
Hello, everyone.
So yes, thank you so much for tuning in. My outfit to the Fibre Music Awards this year. I'm a person who loves sequenced outfits, and a suit full of our sequins, why not? I loved it. That is my best outfit. My phone, my sunglasses, my face towel, and a $20 in case I need to run away. So just for texting her back home. I prefer telephone because when you email, you have to wait for a response. Not many people reply instantly, so I prefer telephone because then I talk to you right away. So I prefer, because you get the answer that you need right there and then. So yeah, telephone. I have a few favorite designers. I love 8 Mountains by Moira Solvalu, Samson Lee Fiji, Quiviti by Vili, and my recent one to the list is Sugar Rose by Ashley. I just feel like these designers portray Fijian beauty, the colors that we go for, our prints, and the patterns like chambers, shirts, and everything. Yeah. So right now, those people are my favorite list. I love secondhand shopping because I like to look for the $1, $2 because it's within my budget. I am broke. But why do I love it? Because they are one-off and you can find very good brand designer labels. I sometimes don't like firsthand because then if I wear this t-shirt, the same person is probably wearing it. So imagine attending an event. I would leave to go and change if a person is wearing the same outfit as me. My recent trip to Australia, I was in Melbourne and then I found a Christian Dior bag and I got it for $5. And it's a really big Christian Dior bag. I thought it was a knockoff, so I had to check it. Yes, it was a real Christian Dior bag. So I haven't used it yet, so I might just use it to strut in the streets of Suva. I feel like you should know your body to know what you're gonna wear, and like so once you know your body, you know what you look good in. And I feel like it's confidence. My secret is confidence. Like some people say you can't wear that because I am of a particular size, also known as the Pacific size. So I feel like I wear my clothes with so much confidence that people get to forget that I'm wearing a little bit of too much revealing outfits. But yeah, wear with confidence. You better wear the clothes, don't let the clothes wear you. Oh my god, like was it the late 90s to early 2000s, they had that trend where people were, ladies especially, were wearing dresses and skirts over jeans. I just hope that trend, I feel like I'd be too busy and tacky. For somebody that sweats like me, I would not be wearing that. So yeah, I hope that trend never comes back. Rukurukulevu village, Nandranga, because that's where I'm from. And I just love that I get to wake up, I don't hear the cars tooting their horns, there is no dirty air. We have the oxygen coming straight from the tree, and as I look out of the bedroom window, I see the ocean. So definitely my village. A black t-shirt. You can never go wrong with a black t-shirt. Rihanna. I love Rihanna. She releases like hits after hits, and she's just different. She has an ear for good music, like club music. Yeah. So I'm not about the slow cover songs. So yeah, Rihanna. I feel like we get to break the rules of having to wear what to wear, like when and for such events. Like as an artist, you get to play around with fashion. I've actually worn a see-through outfit to a professional setting, and I got away with it because I was an artist. So that's right. We've been to some events where they say accommodation is provided, and the accommodation is not the best. So I feel like that's the least glamorous part of it. Rihanna. I just love Rihanna because she knows like what's trending and what to wear and everything. And like for her recent Fenty collection, like for her, she was just talking about if it doesn't look good on my body, I might as well not sell it. So I love Rihanna. She likes to play around and break the rules in fashion, and so she's the IFGA Fashion Icon Award. My class 1 teacher used to ask us, when you grow up, what do you want to be? Everybody would start off, and I always had 2 answers. When I grew up, I want to be a lawyer and I want to be a professional singer. So I kind of sing now, and I think I became a lawyer. So I think when I worked for a law firm, that was in my head, I'm a lawyer here. Everything's readily available, variety, there's always something to do, no shade to the little towns. I just get so bored when I visit this small town. But there's always something happening in Suva, and there's just a lot of things. Like Suva is the heart, like I feel like Suva is the New York of the Pacific. So yeah, definitely Suva. I'd visit the smaller towns, but I'll live here in Suva. Oil, I always use coconut oil, but like, because I am blessed with sweat glands that just don't know how to close. The only brand, I've tried a few brands, but the only one that worked for me was Nivea. Like after I was sweating, I was still glowing. So Nivea it is. My new music video, Dodomo Maumau, is about betrayal. So basically, one giving their all, and the partner was just not reciprocating the same. She was just leading him on, and then yeah. So basically, things didn't work. So I feel like that's just a no-do. Like you just don't betray people. You don't play with people's hearts. So my music video is about betrayal. Hi Fiji, I'm Vili, and I'm keeping it. Valamina Fiji, I'm Vili, and I'm keeping it Jeje with Jejemon.
Artist Vili, Navoka, and some of his favorites when it comes to his style. Remember to watch his new music video if you haven't. Great track. And to round out this segment, a snippet from the music video before we join supermodel Miranda Kerr, who takes us on a bathroom tour of a mansion in Malibu. See you soon.
Mosi mosi no muito ao calor somborosi mosi mosi não domo besar domo bitiao nado miao waleo senganem batan na unilega Combaunando miau Isso não aguentar Cambolo na utongo nomo Sambil tiau Dodomo Maumau Dodomo Maumau Dodomo Maumau Seba taki wale na dodomo